Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to a new video. In this video, we will discuss about Teja Network, a telecom group where the share price hits upper circuit after a big update and almost 125 rupees gain within a period of 10 days. So we will discuss about some recent happenings and important points to be noted related with this stock. So watch the full video. Before going to the video, I have a small request. If this content would be informative to you, please click on subscribe button and the like button. It will be a great support for making new videos for you. So let's go to the video. Okay friends, first we can take a look at some basic details of this company, Tejas Network. It's a global optical broadband and data networking products company, and the company designs, develops and sells high performance cost competitive products to telecommunication service providers, internet service providers and defense and government entities, and they are the market leader in this highly competitive Indian telecom market and are ranked almost top 10 companies in the global optical aggregation market with their products deployed over 60 countries. The current market price of the share is 327 rupees, but 10 days before the stock price is only 178 rupees, and the stock soars because of a news important update from the company side. We will discuss it after looking at the stock return slide. While we checking the stock returns, we get a highly satisfied result because on 1 year time frame the stock almost give 449.17% of returns. That number was very huge, and on 6 month time frame the stock almost give 99.21% of returns, and on 1 month time frame the stock almost give 74.20% of returns. So we can definitely say it's a company which giving high returns to its shareholders in the last year. Now we can check the recent news related to this stock. Tejas Network share price spiked 5%, hitting the upper circuit on BSE on August 3rd, a day after Tata Sons subsidiary Panaton Fininvest picked up an 8% stake as a part of Tata Group's plan to acquire and control the stake in the domestic telecom equipment market. So this was an important update to be noted in the coming days because the Tata Sons has agreed to acquire a controlling stake in Tejas Network for nearly 1,890 crore in a multi-step deal, and under this agreement Tejas Network will make a preferential allotment of 1.94 crore equity shares for 258 per share, aggregating to 500 crore to Panaton, and that is the reason behind the stock hits upper circuit for the last 10 consecutive trading sessions, and we can expect more and more because of this recent news. Now we can take a look at some important points to be noted related to this company. It is a company with no debt, and the company has strong cash generating ability from its core business because the cash flow from operation improving for the last 2 years, and as per the recent results we can see growth in operating profit with an increase in operating margins and strong annual earnings per share growth. We can also spot a weak point that mutual fund decreased their shareholding in the last quarter, but it is not an important matter to concern because the Tata Sons investment happens on the last week and it creates a positive wave to the stock. There is nothing more to analyze in this chart. This is a 1 day time frame chart of Tejas Network, and we can see the stock only needs 10 days for reaching 325 rupees price range from 178 rupees. This happens only because of the Tata Sons investment in this company, and now the price was at 325 rupees and locked the upper circuit. We can expect a good returns or good movement for this stock in the coming future also because the 5G 6G news are very trending in the telecom market. So add this stock in your watch list and update yourself with the important levels. Do not invest blindly, invest after your clear study and analysis related to the company, financial details, etc., and make a good decision. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please click on subscribe button for more updates like this. Thank you all.